Hey everyone, do you remember the time when phones didn't have touchscreens, but a real, durable QWERTY keyboard? When a tiny red light would flash for new messages, and BlackBerry wasn't just a phone, it was a status symbol. But in the age of touchscreens, it seemed to have disappeared. But what if that same magic, that premium feel, came back with modern technology? Yes, you heard that right. BlackBerry is making a comeback, and this time, it's bringing the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. So, if you're also looking to buy this amazing phone, watch this video until the end. Because in today's video, we'll give you information about the full features, price, and launch date of this incredible phone. So, let's get started. Features of the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. Design and display. First, let's talk about its design. This phone is coming back in its iconic square shape, which makes it stand out from all other smartphones. But these aren't just old memories. On top of this design is a 4.75-inch LCD display that now comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Just imagine how smooth the scrolling will be, whether you're checking your social media feed or switching between apps. Oh, and that lovely little notification LED light is also making a comeback. It's not just a light, it's a feeling. Camera setup. BlackBerry in a camera. You might be surprised to hear that. But the BlackBerry Key 3 5G is going to change that perception. It comes with a 110-megapixel dual rear camera setup. This isn't just a number, the quality of this camera sensor is such that it can capture even the finest details. And for selfies, it has a 13-megapixel front camera. Performance and software. The biggest complaint with older BlackBerry phones was app support, but with the BlackBerry Key 3 5G, that worry is gone. This phone will run on the Android operating system, which means you can easily download all your favorite apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, and even games from the Google Play Store. And it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This processor is excellent for multitasking and gaming, so your phone will always run smoothly and fast. And yes, it also has 5G connectivity, giving you ultra-fast internet speeds. Battery and charging. In today's world, battery life is the most important thing. The BlackBerry Key 3 5G comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery that can easily last 2 days on a single charge. This means you won't have to worry about a charger anymore. And yes, it also comes with modern Type-C charging that supports fast charging. Price and launch date. Now for the biggest question, what will its price be? It's estimated that the BlackBerry Key 3 5G could be priced at around $300 and might be launched in early 2026. So, what do you think? Will this phone be able to bring back its old magic and make its place in today's smartphone market? Let us know in the comments.